there. So now on the houseboat. Gone quite far. There. Going to there. Okay, we've just arrived. We're gonna be start fishing soon. Okay, I've just set up my bream rod. This is a hook I got recently. This is a rod. Yeah, just my fishing box to set up. And me and Zane got the same rod. Yeah, we've just set out now.
They've heard rumours that there's worms in there.
Say it to the channel.
Hi.
Say it to the channel.
Yeah, let's move, please. Gosh, that was so cool. Look what's going on over there.
From where?
Just right now.
I'll try now.
Save it. Are you just dropping it?
Say it to the channel. And we'll have now caught 8 speakers. Zane's caught 1 bream. She's caught 1 bream. Yeah.
What? Why you? Oh man, that's so smooth. Why are you rapping?
Harry, show them your first fish. Oh, do I have one? I have one!
Okay, Noel's gonna take it off.
Squeaker, Zane.
Yeah, I was about to say, come, let's allow us that.
What is it? Squeaker.
Why are we keeping the squeaker? What should we do with the squeaker?
Squeaker.
You guys with the squeaker?
Just a bubble.
Quite as big as the ones you normally.
Just gotten up, 6:30. I'm about to go fishing again. So we just got back from fishing this morning. Didn't get much luck anyway. We got some squeakers. Yeah. So now we've just set some of our rods out. Set my rod out there. Still got some fish. There's some hippos there. We had to go all the way through here. We had to go through there. We went down that spot as if by those trees. So lots of game. So there. Yeah. I'm just out now sitting. We'll be doing some night fishing tonight. I'm gonna set out all the rods. I'm gonna do some night fishing, so stay tuned for that. Oh, massive bream! Yes, man! Bream!
That is a nice one, Scott. Scott just put a nice bream.
Zay's just trying to use the kitty's rod. See how it works. And now we wait for things. We wait. So we're going to eat now. Our rods are out. Down there. Things going on right now. Zane!
Come, Harry, you need to enforce discipline here.
I think he's got a squeak on. I just got 2 squeakers from up here. On my shark rod. So, squeaker. Yeah, I'm just doing my rod again because I just got 2 squeakers up off here. Come on, this side. Okay, now we're going to our next place. Where is it? Further go. Yeah. See there. Yeah, Zane's lost his charger. Now we're on the way. There's a big mountain. Zane is now asleep. He wants to sleep so he can get to the place faster. Okay, you're going to feature on my YouTube channel.
Sorry?
We're here. Let's sit out 2 rods. Yeah, we're just bored now.
Oh,
Zane, let's see your tiny bream. Zane, show them.
is that you, Zane, or is that the bunny? You didn't have to do that. Huh? Isn't that a break?
So we've been doing a competition, we've been catching those fish. So I've caught 18, Zane's caught 18. My other friend has caught.
Harry, how many have you caught? Harry, how many have you caught?
Yes, 13. The others are just below 10. So me and Zane now both have 18. So game on.
How many?
We're now going to our other spot.
How many, like,
Just before it gets dark. Then we're gonna go back to our house first and try to do something. Probably do some fishing, then eating, do some night fishing. Okay, we're going back now. 1919. We're gonna go back and do some night fishing. It's about to get dark. And the night fishing begins. It's beginning. I've just caught one, a squeaker though. Squeakers are like annoying fish and they get caught quite a lot. So we were doing points, like 1 point per fish. I'm on 20 now, Zane's on 19. But then they're saying since it's a squeaker, apparently now it counts as half a point. So these guys are cheating. The moon is orange. When I was trying to record that, Zane went on my rod over there. I come to it. I come, I run. I come to it. But guess what? It started fighting Zane. When it came to me, I got snagged on a log. No, my hook is gone. Alex's second fish.
what is this? Jesus Christ! What if he's stuck? What is it? He's stuck. There's pointing back. I think he's stuck. It might be a bunny. I think it might be a bunny. Is it stuck?
Yes.
Is it stuck?
The moon is
Say
orange.
you up.
The moon is orange. What? Everyone is now night fishing.
See that video?
Harry, what fish is this? Did you find out?
We don't know what it is. I think it's a different type of breed. It's the 5-egg mouth, as you can see here. He knows exactly what I mean.
We're not out now. We'll be now. Shade Sava. I just got a boom. I'm on 20 and what? 20 and a half cents on 22. I need to catch up. So we have to see. Yeah, one of these fishing for 100. Start of the day, woke up at 8:30 quite late, but I just got a bream. So I'm on 21 and a half cents. 22. Now I'm sitting at my tire garage. Just catch that up. I have just got the phone. Then just gone to the seagull. And yeah. Now we just have the rods out. That tiny fish. Same say it doesn't count as a point because it's so tiny. And yep. Now we're just out. About to go on the boat. Saying how many fish are you on? I'm on 23 and a half. So, wait to it. Got my rod out. Okay, now we're going. So, I'll update you there. Okay, we're now going. Yeah, we're going back now because we have to move spots. So going back tomorrow, all the way back home. I just had a massive fight finish. It came off. So now it's coming back. And this bird has its wings out. I don't know what it is. Okay, we're now going back. Wait. A lot of water. Have a bit more time to fish before we go to our next spot. Zane is also out now. Even there, inside, there. There's a bit more time to fish before we go to our next spot. Zane is also out now. Even there, inside, there. And we are going again. Zane Shafi. Yes! We're probably not going to be able to go out to spot for long because one of the propellers has stopped working and we have to go all the way down there. But before there's some guy's going to come to fix the propellers. So, see you at night fishing. Now that the propeller is being fixed, he wants to jump off. Okay, Ed, let's go. Go, Ed.
No crocodile. Definitely. I'll give me a countdown.
Yeah, 3. While the propeller's being fixed, he's jumping in. Because we're in the middle, so there's no crocs or anything. Okay, we just arrived at our last spot. We're putting out our rods now, and then we're going back tomorrow morning. So see you tonight.
And then just
We're out now and we're not getting much luck. We're getting lots
So the
of
school
bites.
can't go away.
One last cast at the sunset.
Sunset.
We're now going back, sadly. Then we put out a rod tonight and just do some night fishing. That's sad to fish. Sad. Zain, what did you just catch? How many points are you on now? 23 and a half. I'm on 24 and a half. Yeah. There's a fire there. Me and Zain are now tied. We've got this tiny thing. 24 and a half and 24 and a half. Yeah, it must bite you. Just hold it at the bottom. Hold it, let me do it. Hold it.
I want to do it myself.
So do it. Zain, hold the front. Yeah.
Hey!
Just hold the front. The front. The front.
Ow!
Front. Oh, that works. No, up, Zain. Up, man.
I'm scared.
Kiss it.
Hello.
Feeling better now.
Alex. Scotty, Waddy, Scotty, Johnny. It's. I'm being a real tourist here. Cheers. Cheers. Lollipoppy. And then.
There we go. Our fishing rods are done, but not enough luck. So we're playing darts. Everyone's just talking. Yeah. Bad day of fishing. We're about to put our rods out with the rods. Sun's about to come out. Our last sunrise on this trip. So sad. Let's wait for it to come out. Scott's fish. Nice one. What is the final score? I'm on 25 and a half, he's on 24 and a half. And you, what are you on?
Me?
Yeah.
I've got, I think, a solid 6.
6. Harry, how many are you on? Yeah. 18. So I won the competition.